Hello, I'm Mr. eTutor, your mystery tutor here at mysterytutor.com, and welcome to video module 13-3. In this module, we'll be discussing the ACT Math section. There's really not a whole bunch to say about the ACT Math section, to be honest. It's pretty much the same thing as the SAT Math section, just with a couple of extra mathematical concepts that are allowed to appear on the test, and minus all of the tricks, basically, that you can play to sort of have an advantage. So on the ACT Math section, you basically need to get ready to answer a lot of questions in what's probably not going to seem like a whole bunch of time, and that's pretty much it. You are going to see some basic trigonometry and matrices questions that can appear from time to time on the ACT Math section, and those things, of course, cannot appear on the SAT Math section. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Now, as I have mentioned earlier, there are no real patterns or standards or anything like that to speak of when it comes to the answer choices for the ACT Math section. But you should still get in the habit of doing all of those scanning things and checking things that we talked about anyway, because if you get in the habit of scanning through the different answer choices and trying to figure out what mistakes you might have made to end up with those answer choices, that's going to help you check your work on the ACT Math just like it did on the SAT Math. The best way to prepare for the ACT Math really is, in my opinion, just to do some practice questions. Again, either from this book, the official ACT guide, or from the ACT's free online practice resources. But you're just going to want to do some practice questions, try to answer them, check them out, see what you got wrong. If you don't understand anything at all about any of the questions, of course, head right over to www.mysterytutorvault.com and post whatever questions you might have over there. I'll be more than happy to help you get straightened out. And that's really all there is to it. The ACT Math section is, well, kind of a disappointment, to be honest. It's not really that exciting, not a whole bunch going on there. So that's all. And remember, it's easier than you think.